Hello students, today we'll discuss about properties of molding sand. The topic covers manufacturing process for semester. Students, first of all, we will discuss about various strands. Strands meaning rigidity or bonding of the sand. The first one, green strand. The meaning of the grit strand, the adequate strength and toughness for making and handling the mold. The second one, dry strand. Dry strand, the dry sand must have strength to resist erosion and also the low static pressure of the molten metal or as the mold may enlarge. And third one, hot strand. The meaning of the hot strand related to hot molten metal. Metalloid static pressure of the liquid metal bearing against the mold wall may cause mold enlargement, or if the metal is stiff, flowing, erosion cracks, or breakages, inducing forming of the molten metal. That is meaning of hot strand. Permeability. The meaning of the permeability is stream and other gases, and the meaning of the permeability, the mold must be permeable, that is porous to permit the gases to escape in a particular mold. Thermal stability. Meaning of the thermal stability, the heat from the casting causes rapid expansion of the sand surface at the mold metal interface. The mold surface may crack, buckle, or flackle off unless the molding sand is relatively stable dimensionally under rapid heating. That is meaning of thermal stability. Refractiveness. The meaning of refractiveness, the absence of melting, sharpening, or adherence of sand to the casting makes for better casting surface and easier cleaning of the casting. Flowability. Flowability, the meaning the sand should pack well flow and low. Sands of low flowability may result in non-uniform hardening. Soft mold, enlargement of the casting or roughness of the casting surface, because here excess molten metal insert in the sands. Then resultant the casting product enlargement of the particular size. Collapsibility. The meaning of the collapsibility, the molding sand should also have collapsibility so that during the contraction of the solidified casting it does not provide any resistance, which may result in cracks in the casting. Besides these specific properties, the molding material should be cheap, reusable, and should have good thermal conductivity. The next one, adhesiveness. The meaning of adhesiveness in mold. The molding sand should collapse during the contraction of the solidified casting. It does not provide any resistance, which may result in cracks in the casting. Besides these specific properties, the molding material should be cheap, reusable, and should have good thermal conductivity. Cohesiveness. That is the property of the sand due to which the sand grains stick together readily. Framing. It is defined as the strength of the molding sand. Reusability. Reusability, the sense large quantities of sand are used in a foundry. It is very important that the sand be reusable, otherwise, apart from costing, mitigate disposal problems. Easy of preparation and control. That sand should land itself to easy preparation and control by mechanical equipment. The conductivity. The conductivity can should have enough conductivity for the removal of heat from the casting. Some ingredients of molding sand. These are basically three ingredients in casting molds. Basically clay, water, and sand. These are mixtures of with the sand. First one, sand. Molding sand contains 50 to 90% of the total material in a molding. These sand particles may differ in the following ways. The first one, average grain size distribution, and grain size. The chemical composition, reactiveness, and thermal stability. Generally, the sand, silica sand, 99.8% that silica CO2 is considered the most effective and permanent state. Excessive amount of iron oxide, alkali oxides, and lime can cause objectionable loading of fusion point in some sands. The shape of sand grains may be rounded, angular, or subangular depending on the geologic texture. Clay. The second ingredient of the sand is clay. Clay is 2 to 50% present in oil. With a suitable water content, it is the principal source of the strength and elasticity of the molding sand. That is used as a binder, molding sand, the natural molding sand, plus clay in minerals. Synthetic molding sands also used. Essentially, it is of extremely many crystalline, usually black sand particles that can be classified on basis of their structure and composition into a few groups which are known as clay minerals or single clay minerals. Mixture of clay minerals also and clay minerals here is metanites, white clays, and sticky clays, halloxites, illite, etc. And third ingredient is water. Water is present 1.5 to 8% in molding sand that is used as an activate that clay develop plasticity and strength. The molding sand, water in molding sand is often preferred as damping water. Water is excessive the water. The rigid clay coatings of the sand grains may be forced together, develop strength. The water, the lubricant, makes the sand more flush and more moldable, so the strength is lower. Control of water in sand is very important for a molder. Students, these are basic ingredients for the molding sand.